Alright, tell me this. Why are people paying $50,000 for a brand new truck when an $8,000 Toyota Tacoma can literally outlast, outperform, and outsmart most of them? Yeah, I said it. This cheap little beast right here? It's the truck that refuses to die. Today we're talking about the $8,000 Toyota Tacoma that beats new trucks. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why this old-school pickup might just be the smartest purchase you'll ever make. So let's start with the obvious. Why does everyone go crazy for the Tacoma? It's simple. Reliability. Consumer Reports literally can't stop talking about it. They've said the Tacoma has a long history of strong reliability, with older models scoring 5 out of 5 in dependability. And here's the kicker. Even though it's old, people are still paying a premium for these trucks. You might find one from around 2005 to 2013, maybe even 2015, sitting around that $8,000 to $12,000 mark. But here's the thing. It'll probably run smoother than a lot of the fancy 2020 trucks with touchscreen problems and broken sensors. Meanwhile, your buddy with his brand new truck, he's at the dealer complaining about his infotainment freezing, while you're out there hauling lumber and laughing at your zero monthly payment. Now, Toyota didn't just build the Tacoma, they engineered it to survive an apocalypse. Ask any owner, you'll hear stories like, "Yeah, my Tacoma has 300,000 miles and still runs like a sewing machine." These things are mechanical cockroaches, in a good way. Consumer Reports actually said that the 2005 to 2015 generation was one of the most reliable trucks ever made. Sure, the ride's a little rough. They described it as bucking and jittering constantly. But that's fine. You're not buying a couch, you're buying a workhorse. Who needs luxury when your truck can literally outlive your mortgage? Alright, let's get real. Why does this cheap Tacoma beat new trucks? 1. It's simpler. No fancy electronics to brake, no endless warning lights, just a solid engine, a gearbox, and a frame that refuses to quit. Compare that to a new truck loaded with driver assists, lane departure warnings, and touch screens that cost more to replace than an old Tacoma engine. 2. Proven track record. The 2013-2015 models, according to Consumer Reports, were 5-star reliable. The 2016 redesign? 1 out of 5 in reliability. So yeah, sometimes newer means worse. 3. Value retention. This is crazy. Tacomas hold their value better than almost any vehicle ever made. Some people buy one, drive it for 5 years, and sell it for basically the same price. You can't say that about many trucks. Try that with a new one and watch $10,000 vanish the moment you drive off the lot. Think about it. One gives you peace of mind, the other gives your car payments. Alright, it's not all perfect. If you're shopping for a used Tacoma around $8,000, you have to know what to look for. 1. Check the frame. Some older Tacomas had rust issues, especially in snowy or salty states. 2. High mileage. Don't panic if it's high, but check maintenance records. Oil changes, timing belt, and fluids matter more than the odometer number. 3. Suspension wear. Older models can feel bouncy or loose. That's normal. Just make sure the suspension isn't completely shot. Follow these tips, and you'll have a truck that'll easily go another decade, maybe more. I saw a 2012 Tacoma with 180,000 miles, listed for $8,500. The owner said, "I've only replaced the battery and tires." Meanwhile, a guy I know just spent $60 on a brand new truck, and his backup camera stopped working after 6 months. Sometimes cheaper really is better. Who needs 20 sensors when all you want to do is haul wood and not worry if a rock scratches your paint? So, is the $8,000 Toyota Tacoma the truck that beats new ones? Absolutely. It's reliable, tough, simple, and it just keeps going. Like the truck version of your favorite uncle who still chops wood at age 70. If you're thinking about getting one, go for a 2013-2015 model if you can. That sweet spot still holds up strong. Now I want to hear from you. What's the highest mileage Tacoma you've ever seen? Drop it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and join me here on Time. I love cheap cars for more honest reviews and affordable car tips. Until next time, keep driving smart, not expensive.